First lunar eclipse, come on. First make Sisgi. So two conditions you have to make. First is Sisgi, second is who lies in between whom. For a lunar eclipse, all the three objects should be in straight line. एक तो straight line बना दिया. First object is what? Sun. So whose shadow should be falling onto the moon? Come on. Earth. So that Earth should be in between. Earth should be in between. Then next part is what? Moon. They have to be in straight line. Who is moving around whom? You try to understand. Moon is also what? Revolving around the Earth. Please have the sketches. You can have clarity. Moon is also revolving around the Earth. It takes 27 days approximately. On 28th day, it come back to the same position. How much time the moon will take to revolve around the Earth? Around approximately 28 days, 27 point something. So 28 days you can take into consideration. That is a division like 7 days, and all things will come in between. So, okay. So now moon position in the straight line, moon can be here or here is possible. Then it's straight line. But for a shadow formation, moon should be where? Come on. This position or this position? No. For a lunar eclipse, but the moon is here. If moon is here, sun radiation directly is falling onto it. Directly falling. So there is no chance of eclipse this thing. Now, to get an eclipse, moon should be okay. Now understand the positions of moon, please. These are few technical things. Now I said moon take 28 days to come back to the same position with respect to the Earth. So we are doing the calculation from here. 0, the starting day. Then is what? 7th. Do the calculation number. 14th, 21st, and then is again 20th. 7 दिन इसीलिए होते हैं, like that's what 7 days in a week. The lunar calendar we follow for that. Lunar approach. So leave this whole calculation, how the things has been done. Starting from here, okay, and the moon should be visible, and that's called, come on, when is called full moon, when we call new moon. How to know what is new moon or what is full moon? Amavasya Purnima, which we use in Hindi, what actually mean on the ground? Chalo, up earth pe khade ho, you are seeing the moon. And moon is completely visible. All circular white portion is visible, ring like complete circular structure. We call full moon. When it is supposed to visible, but not visible at all, that is called new moon. From that starting point started. Okay. Now, which part of the moon you can see? This is an Earth. You are here on the Earth. Please, you are the observer. Every language is with respect to humans here. You are observer. You are observing the moon. Moon is getting light from the sun. In front of you, is which part of the moon is there? Lighted part or dark part? Day part or night part? Light. This part is a day part. Come on. This part is what? Day part of the moon. This part is what? Okay. In front. When you can see the full moon, when which part is in front of you? Right. Now you have the logics. Day part is there. When sun is hitting the moon and it's reflected back, then you can say, okay, day part is visible. Okay, simple. In the dark room, what is the color of the red shirt? बस ये आंसर हुआ आपको समझ में आया? That is the right logical answer. Having presence of mind, हैं? चलो ठीक है. That means the day part is visible. Means it should be full moon or new moon? Full moon. It's called full moon day. Purnima. In Hindi we call what? Call Purnima. How the Purnima get developed? Purnima is like this. Then day part is in front of you, of the moon. Okay, full moon. Start. That means on 20th day or 0th day, full moon. So, अभी 40th day after the full moon क्या होगा? Now, अब देखना. This is the day part. The shaded position, I mean the day part, and the and unshaded region become what? Which part? Can you see this? Half of the moon is receiving light and half of the moon is not receiving light. The part which is not receiving light is in front of us. So, and आपको क्या दिखेगा? Can we see the moon? Come on. We cannot see the moon. So that become what? Amavasya, or called starting point of new moon. So two positions you understand. When to write new moon, where to write full moon. So that means after a gap of every 14 days you can have new moon and what? Full moon. 14 दिन के बाद एक new moon, full moon आता रहता है. That's the regular process. Does it make sense, this calculation? Okay. For a lunar eclipse, it should be new moon or full moon, come on. Right, it should be what called? Moon should be visible, not visible now. The shadow of the earth start falling on that lighted part. That means for a lunar eclipse, what are the conditions now? First condition is what? Syzygy. That means all should be in straight line. Second condition should be what? Right, earth should be in middle between moon and the moon, and then which day? Full moon. So the condition for the formation of lunar eclipse, three conditions हो जाती है हमारे पास. This is just a conclusion, you know it all. First, syzygy, all should be in straight line. Second, earth is in between the sun and the what? Moon. Earth should be in between the sun and the moon. Third, it should be what? Full moon, the Purnima. There is a Purnima. Purnima, we have to see full moon, but that time that is not visible. It's covered for a few minutes. That is not like entire night we cannot know. For a few minutes it has been eclipsed, then again appeared back. ये बात समझ में आया?